This video will show the end user how to activate the 4G SIM card for models R7B and R22. It is important that the person responsible for renewing the 4G data subscription completes this activation. The 4G SIM card can be activated at any time and does not need to be activated if opting for a Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. The 4G SIM card has been pre-inserted during assembly, and the 4G APN settings have been pre-configured to simplify the process for you. Once the charger has been positioned in the desired location and connected to power, you will be ready to activate the 4G SIM card. To do the activation, you will need the wireless logic SIM card holder that is in the package contents, as well as a device that can search the web. As you can see, the instructions are laid out in the Quick Start Guide on page 7. To begin, either scan the QR code or go to the website www.simservice.dk/VerveConnect with your chosen device. You will be prompted to enter the MSISDN number and the last 4 digits of the SIM number. These details can be found on the SIM card holder. If activating the 4G SIM card for multiple chargers at once, simply click the button Add More SIM to do so. Continue to fill in the customer contact details and then click Activate. Once activated, reboot the charger and wait for the flashing blue and red indicator light to change to solid blue.